What'd you get?
I picked this.
What is it? Keep opening. Wow, look at that.
Okay.
Well, finish opening up your other presents first.
Okay. Another one.
Okay. You like them stuff?
Yeah, I will open this one first. I'll open this one.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to open it first.
Whoa! Tic-tac-toe!
No,
Yeah, we'll play tic-tac-toe later.
it's not.
Yeah, it's called tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, just open it.
Okay, we'll open and play. We'll play with that after a while. Okay.
Let's play this.
Okay. See what that is.
It's
What do you think it is?
let's open it first.
Oh, you don't want to guess?
It's raining.
Yep.
It's raining.
Go ahead, open your presents. Hello?
Candy,
Yeah.
is the baby there?
Yeah, she can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hey, Dad.
that's Granny Fanny. You remember Granny Fanny?
Hey, Gacy, I'm opening my present. Look,
You are?
look,
Well, I miss you. I'm so glad to hear you.
look.
She,
I miss you so much.
she's trying to show you she's opening her presents through the phone.
She can't see you, Daddy. She can only talk to you. She can't see you,
Okay,
okay?
look.
Granny
I'm
wants to
open.
see you.
You
You
can?
can see me? You can see Granny?
Okay, I got my phone.
That's your phone?
You got a
As
phone.
a present.
You got a phone?
I got a phone.
You do? Well, talk to Granny. Tell me what you've been doing.
Look at that.
Now what you been doing?
Open.
Here, talk to Granny Fanny first.
Okay.
Will you come see Granny?
Yeah.
Okay. When Poppy comes home, you'll come see Granny?
Yeah. Papa,
Okay.
I took doctors.
Uh-huh.
Papa, I took doctors.
You know what Granny request you got now?
Yeah. I got a
Puppy?
phone.
Granny and Gracie's got a puppy now.
Okay.
Okay?
You can go see their
But he's in
puppy.
the pen, so you can't see him until Craig comes home.
No, Papa. What's that?
Mm.
Oh.
That's Papa.
I'm so glad to hear your voice.
Yeah, Papa, I took doctors.
Probably gone to the doctor.
Yeah, I need to open the present first.
Your puppy gone to the doctor.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, look at that. She got a whole box of presents over here wrapped up. She's opening that.
I'm open for you.
You gonna share your crackers?
No, this is mine.
Those are yours.
Yeah.
She's open.
Granny won.
She's opening up a present.
Yeah.
You need some help?
Yeah.
You can go see Granny Fanny after a while?
Go get up. Buddy, I gotta get up.
Okay.
Yeah, come see Granny Fanny as well.
Open.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Oh, I
you.
need to open a ribbon.
You sound like a grown-up little girl.
Okay. Okay.
You're so good to hear her voice.
I know, isn't it?
Yeah, she really is the voice. I'm just sitting here quiet up here and down my
Oh,
It's so good to hear from her.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, Dwayne will bring her over after a while.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll talk to y'all later.
Okay, good.
Bye-bye.
Peace.
I'm going to the degree.
Shit, you can go see her in a little while. She lives here. She lives in town. We'll take you over there and let you see Granny Fanny, okay? Look at that! You got your own Play-Doh!
Yeah, and I got one too. And that's open there.
Look at that. That's kind of tough, isn't it?
I can't open it.
You can't open it?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oops, I got. Oh, wow.
Look at that Play-Doh.
Let's open it. Tail.
Yeah, there's Play-Doh in there. Can you open the top?
This?
Yeah. No? Let's see if we can help you. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Tail.
Yeah, it's Play-Doh. Here's your lid.
This
You're welcome. Then put it just down on there like that. There you go. What else you got to open up?
I got open
You gonna take them all out?
this one.
All right. What color is that?
Blue.
Orange.
Orange.
The top tells you what color.
Blue.
No, that's orange.
Orange.
Yes.
And I can't open it again.
We'll play with the Play-Doh later. Okay? See what else you got in the box to open.
Open. Oh, well, I got
Purple one. Purple.
another one. I got,
And green.
let's open another one.
All right.
I got a whole box.
You did.
Let's open this one.
Okay. What do you think that is?
That is five.
Oh,
Wait a minute.
what is it?
It's
Turn it over.
dog.
Turn it over.
It's a dog.
It's a drum.
Ooh, wow. Let's not open it again.
Okay.
I can't open
See if Mama will help you.
What is it?
She wants you to take it out of the box.
dog.
Yeah. Music?
Yeah, open this one.
Okay. She's running out of room to put stuff. She had that one over here on this chair for you first.
Oh, let's open that.
Well, you're doing a good job opening up them presents. You know it?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You get it. You get it.
Yeah.
Oh, just keep tearing it open. There you go.
What's this? I'm not dog.
No, it's not a drum. It's called a xylophone.
It's a dog. Oh, yeah.
Turn it over.
Oh, it's a
Xylophone.
yeah. It's
Well, maybe Mama will take that one out of the box for you, too. please. What else you got?
I want that.
Okay. You like that?
I want to open that one.
All right.
What do it?
Watch this.
I want to do it.
It's better when it's out of the box. Hold on.
The bottom of it has a colored chart she could learn songs. The bottom of that box does.
Oh,
They put that in that box very well, didn't they? What else have you got over here in this other box to open up while Mama's getting that one? Yeah, open that one. What you got in there?
I think
What do you think it is?
I need to open it for you. It's a Barbie.
A Barbie puzzle. Look at that.
I want to open it.
well, let's wait till later to open that box, because that's a Barbie puzzle, and we'll have to play with the pieces in one place.
it gets higher and higher.
What's in there?
Okay.
Oh, a full box. Ah,
Here, you can do it right here on this table.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
Care Bears?
Yeah, I want what's Kimber.
So I wonder what's this.
No, I want to watch this.
Look, I want what's Kimber. Oh, I want what's that. That.
What is that?
It's a book. It's a book.
After we went to the car wash, she goes, this window's clean, and this one's clean, and this one, she kept going with this one's clean. I don't want to go back to the car wash, Mommy. We're going back to the car wash.
Book.
Yeah, let me see what you got.
And you got crayons too. Look.
Nicole.
You got one more present to open, Jazzy.
What?
You have one more.
One more.
Yeah, look at that.
I'm gonna open this one.
Here you go. You can open it right here if you want to.
And then come my color. I thought they open that.
Yeah, open that one. What'd you get?
I got
A Winnie the Pooh puzzle.
That's Stu.
That's Stu, baby. You remember Stu?
Oh,
Yeah.
you're not. Oh, that's still.
Yeah, that's Stu.
Stu got big. Yeah. You can go. You can
Welcome home, Jazzy. Welcome home. job. Oh! Don't eat them. Blow it. You want to sit right there? Hold on.
Faster! Faster, faster! Shake a little slow. Keep on shaking now. Shake a while. Yay!